We got some old school cool right here. 1970 Super B sitting on a big old set of chrome Cragars SS wheels, jacked up a little bit in back. This thing's pretty cool. What is really great about it, it is rust free. It's about as dry and clean underneath as I've ever seen one. It's got a correct 383 Magnum motor, numbers match 727 torque flight automatic, and it was born V5 blue. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read everything. Look at all the pictures, top to bottom. And that's where you'll find a price tag on this car and every car we have for sale. And each one of them has a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath, I mean, look at it yourself when you see the pictures, the frame rails, the floors, the rockers, the lower quarters, pristine, original metal. They've never even been spray painted over, so they're as honest as can get. No rust, no rot, no patching. So that's a big, big plus. As far as the drivetrain, it's just been maintained as needed. The front end components are all very clean. It looks like they replaced the shocks front and back. There's air shocks in the back to jack it up a little bit for them big meats they put under there. The fuel tank looks like that's been replaced. It's a nice silver tank. I'll be honest, we sold this car a couple of years ago. He was very happy with it, but he just traded up to a 446 pack car. Nice dual exhaust system. Like a stock type system with the correct tips on the back. You look up at the motor, it's all clean, it's orange, it's nice. Starter looks fresh. It is the VIN number match 727 torque flight automatic trans. And going back to the motor for a second, when you're looking up at it, you can see the casting codes and the dates. It's a correct motor for this car. 8 3/4 rear end, probably has 323 gears in there. There's still assembly line paint markings on the rear end. It's never been painted over. Drum brakes all the way around. So let's look at the body. Roof is absolutely straight. This is all straight, clean. Has this big bulged hood with the 2 scoops here. All lines up straight, no damage, no issues, all looking really good. All square and flush. Fender looks real nice. Has a pen star on one side only. That's the way they were. Clean metal. Smooth, no bubbles, no rust. Right around this fender lip right here. Nice and clean. It's all nice and clean. There's maybe little rock chips touched up down here, but no rust bubbles. Straight. I don't see any door dents. The roof is beautiful coming right down here. This is real nice. This is all real nice right here. It was born B5 blue. That's this color, very desirable color. The metal flake is all laid out. It's all one color. Polished very smooth and glossy. It all lines up real nice. Body's just as good on this side. We'll double check it here. Yes, all nice and clean. Smooth, no bubbles. Yeah, that's a real nice body on the car. The C stripe, they call that, because like the letter C, it's backwards on this side, really makes it pop with the Super B logo in the back. Original rear glass, it's good. Typical light scratches. This has the pop-out back windows. So the chrome and trim is straight. It's not beat up, but it's not new. There's little freckles on here. A little bit worn, a little tarnished. Windshield is nice and clear. It does have some light water spots on the surface. These blacked out scoops. Got the bumperettes in front. They're shining really nice. The grills are black. They're nice. I don't see any damage. Got the Super B emblem up front. Original antenna. 383 Magnum. And bam, them 15-inch Cragars SS wheels are sparkling. And in back, look how wide they are. These are some deep, deep wheels with a matched set of Cooper tires all the way around. Let's see what the tail panel looks like. Back bumper looks like it's chrome. The tail panel looks to be very good original. So it has a little bit of patina, but it's not beat up at all. Now let's open it up, see what it's like inside. All right, let's see what we've got in here. Well, the bottom of the trunk lid's painted real nice. The lip is dry and clean. The jamb is painted nice. The weather strip is soft. Now the trunk compartment is all clean, solid metal, and it's all painted real nice. New matte. Does have a spare, and the jack is underneath there as well. Now here's a custom stereo. They have a radio delete plate in the car right now. It looks like here's a bezel and a stereo if somebody wanted to put that in. Door jambs are real nice. The bottom edge of the door is clean and crisp. Door panels are in very good shape. The armrests have been replaced. The instrument panel, the wood grain, this is all real nice. Dash pad has a plastic cap over it. So they put in a stereo delete plate. Not crazy about the screw they chose to put in there. But this is all nice. The glove box liner and the pad, all this is real good. Nice Super B floor mats. Carpet's good. Got a couple wrinkles in it. Could be stretched out a little better. Steering wheel's not worn. It's a bench seat. You can sit close to your sweetheart. Upholstery's in really good shape. On top there. Seat belts for everybody. Got floor mats in the back, the seat upholstery, the side panels, the armrests, all that's really good. The metal trim inside the car is painted nice. Headliner replaced, tight as a drum. Dome light works. Visors look real nice. So you got real nice interior. It's a good, honest car. This is not a nut and bolt rotisserie car, but it's a good car. Nice, clean motor compartment. 383 Magnum, Edelbrock intake, and an Edelbrock carb under there. It's got stock air cleaner, valve covers, exhaust manifolds. Notice how nice the engine bay is. Really nice clean metal, painted blue. Got new alternator, the horns work. Radiator's clean, you got the shroud. We got the original fender tag right here. B5, that's the blue with no vinyl top. B5 and B5, that's upper and lower. Under the hood is clean. So yeah, nice, clean, simple engine compartment, the way it's supposed to be. So we've got a rust-free, genuine Super B, B5 blue, sitting on a big old set of sparkling Cragar wheels. Nice car, and it is not a lot of money. So someone can get a really good deal here on this one. Shuts nice. Go to volocars.com. You'll be able to get a hold of the salesman if you have questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified when a new one's posted. Thanks for watching.